DSLR camera filters. Enhancing your photography. Introduction. Word count. 100. Photography is an art that relies on capturing the essence of a moment and translating it into a visual masterpiece. While the skills and compositions of the photographer play a vital role in achieving stunning images, DSLR camera filters offer an additional tool to enhance and elevate your photography. In this article, we will explore the world of DSLR camera filters, their types, functions, and how they can significantly impact the quality and creativity of your images. 1. Understanding DSLR camera filters. Word count. 200. DSLR camera filters are optical attachments that are placed in front of the lens to modify and manipulate light entering the camera. These filters can be made from various materials such as glass or resin, and come in different shapes and sizes to fit the specific lens diameter. Filters work by altering the intensity, color, or direction of light, allowing photographers to control exposure, contrast, and the overall mood of their photographs. 2. Types of DSLR camera filters. Word count. 300. There is a wide range of DSLR camera filters available in the market, each catering to different photographic needs. Here are some popular types. A. UV filters. These filters primarily serve to protect the lens from scratches, dust, and moisture. They also help reduce atmospheric haze and improve image quality by eliminating ultraviolet light. B. Polarizing filters. These filters are designed to reduce glare and reflections from non-metallic surfaces, such as water or glass, resulting in more vibrant colors and increased contrast. They are particularly useful for landscape and outdoor photography. C. Neutral density filters. Neutral density, North Dakota, filters reduce the amount of light entering the camera without affecting the color balance. They are commonly used to create long exposure effects, such as capturing smooth and dreamy waterfalls or blurring motion in daytime shots. E. Color correction filters. Color correction filters help adjust the white balance and correct undesirable color casts resulting from different lighting conditions. They are extensively used in situations where natural light sources are mixed, such as indoor photography. 3. Advantages and applications of DSLR camera filters. Word count. 400. DSLR camera filters offer a multitude of advantages and applications for photographers. A. Enhancing image quality. Filters can improve overall image quality by reducing unwanted elements such as lens flares, reflections, and atmospheric haze. They can also provide sharper and more vibrant images by blocking out ultraviolet light. B. Creative effect. Filters can add creative effects and enhance mood in photographs. For instance, a polarizing filter can deepen the blue sky and make clouds pop, while a neutral density filter can create a sense of motion with longer exposures. C. Time saving. By using filters during the shoot, photographers can reduce post-processing time. Filters allow precise control over elements like exposure and color balance, enabling photographers to achieve desired effects in camera. D. Versatility. Filters are versatile tools that can be indispensable in various genres of photography, including landscape, portrait, architecture, and product photography. They provide photographers with new avenues to explore and experiment with different artistic choices. E. Protection. Besides their creative applications, filters also serve as a safeguard for expensive lenses, protecting them from scratches, dust, and moisture. 4. How to choose DSLR camera filters. Word count. 250. Choosing the right DSLR camera filter can be a daunting task with the plethora of options available. Here are some factors to consider when selecting filters. A. Lens compatibility. Ensure that the filter you choose is compatible with your lens diameter. Most filters come in different sizes, so make sure to check the lens specifications and choose accordingly. B. Filter material. DSLR camera filters are commonly made of glass or resin. Glass filters provide superior optical quality, but tend to be more expensive. Resin filters are more affordable and lighter in weight, but may have a slight impact on image quality. C. Filter thread type. Filters can have either screw-in or slide-in filter threads. Screw-in filters are threaded directly onto the lens, while slide-in filters require a filter holder system. Consider your shooting style and workflow preferences when deciding between the two. D. Budget. DSLR camera filters can range in price from affordable to quite expensive. Set a budget and prioritize the filters that align with your photography needs. It is wise to invest in high-quality filters that are durable and provide excellent optical performance. E. Desired effects. Determine the specific effects you want to achieve. Whether it's reducing glare, enhancing colors, or creating long exposures, each filter serves a particular purpose. Research different filter types and their applications to find the ones that align with your creative vision. F. Brand reputation. Opt for trusted brands known for their quality and reliability. Established brands often have a wide range of filter options, ensuring availability and compatibility. 5. Caring for DSLR camera filters. Word count. 200. To maintain the lifespan and performance of your DSLR camera filters, proper care is essential. Follow these tips for filter maintenance. A. Cleaning. Use a microfiber cloth or lens cleaning solution specifically designed for filters to remove smudges, fingerprints, and dust. Gently wipe the filter surface in a circular motion. Avoid using excessive force or abrasive materials that could scratch the filter. B. Storage. Store filters in a protective case or pouch to prevent scratches, breakage, and exposure to dust and moisture. Keep them in a cool and dry environment, away from direct sunlight. C. Handling. Be cautious when attaching and detaching filters to prevent accidental drops or impacts. Hold the filter by its edges or use a filter wrench to securely screw it onto the lens. D. Regular inspection. Periodically inspect your filters for any signs of damage, such as cracks, scratches, or coating wear. Replace any filters that are significantly damaged, as they can affect image quality. 6. Tips for using DSLR camera filters. Word count. 300. Using DSLR camera filters effectively requires some practice and experimentation. Here are a few tips to help you make the most out of your filters. A. Understand filter effects. Familiarize yourself with the different effects that each filter can produce. Experiment with various combinations to see how they impact your images. Take note of the changes in exposure, color balance, and overall mood to develop a better understanding of how to use filters creatively. B. Use a tripod. When using certain filters, such as neutral density filters for long exposures, it is essential to use a tripod to keep your camera steady. This will help prevent any unwanted camera shake and ensure that your images are sharp and clear. C. Take test shots. Before committing to a particular filter and composition, take test shots without the filter to establish a baseline. Then, compare the images with and without the filter to see how it alters the final result. Adjust your settings accordingly to achieve the desired effect. D. Experiment with different lighting conditions. Filters can have various effects depending on the lighting conditions. Try using filters during different times of the day or in various weather conditions to see how it transforms your images. For example, a polarizing filter may produce different results in bright sunlight compared to overcast skies. E. Don't overuse filters. While filters can enhance your images, it's important not to overdo it. Use filters sparingly and with intention to maintain a natural and balanced look in your photographs. Sometimes, a simple adjustment in post-processing may be more suitable. F. Learn from others. Look for inspiration and learn from other photographers who use DSLR camera filters. Study their techniques, compositions, and use of filters to gain insights and ideas for your own work. Attend photography workshops or join online communities where you can share knowledge and learn from experienced photographers.